A Delhi court has issued summons to the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray in connection with the 2008 case where workers of his party attacked citizens from North India. One of the earlier instances when the MNS went about targeting so-called outsiders in the state. There are dozens of cases against Raj Thackeray for spewing hatred, but at a political level, no one seems ready to touch him. Will the courts now take action?
And with this speech, Raj Thackeray registered the 88th case slapped against him for spewing hate across the country. Add to that a non-bailable warrant. The latest one in Delhi, after a private complaint filed against him claimed on August 31st in this speech in Mumbai, Thackeray had said Biharis had infiltrated Maharashtra and should be thrown out. The other prominent case in 2008, where workers from Raj's Maharashtra Navnirman Sena attacked North Indians appearing for railway exams. The worst he suffered, a total of 2 nights in police custody. His legal team, however, argue, till today, not a single charge sheet has been filed. And the evidence in 30 cases is so weak, the police will be forced to drop them.
Raj Thackeray believes he's only stating facts when he talks against the North Indian community. Though there are several cases against him, legal experts say it is difficult to prove in the court of law whether somebody has indulged in a hate speech. One reason why MNS chief's rhetoric of hate doesn't seem to end. With Tejas Mehta in Mumbai, in New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra for NDTV.
Tonight we debate a non-bailable warrant for Raj Thackeray. Can courts rein in the MNS leader? Joining us, Akhilesh Chaubey, Vice President and Legal Cell of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, Majid Memon, National Secretary of the NCP, Bharat Kumar Raut, Rajya Sabha MP with the Shiv Sena, and Shaina NC, member of the BJP National Executive and member of the BJP in Maharashtra. Mr. Chaubey, let me come to you first. What's the problem in Mr. Raj Thackeray coming to court? This is a summons. A lot of people feel he should have been here. Why didn't he come?
See, summons is issued. Once it will be served, we will take all the measures. See, it's a process of court, issuing summons and bailable warrant and warrant. And we have got a lot of remedies against that. We will discuss and try whichever remedy we want.
Isn't it now inevitable that he has to appear in court, perhaps in just a few weeks from now?
It is not like that, Somji. See, once summons is issued or warrant is issued, there is upper courts also. Whatever course of action we will decide with discussion of our leader, we will go as per that decision.
Mr. Chaubey, earlier on, Raj Thackeray had stated that if a hearing had to take place in a court in Bihar, there was a risk to his life, there was danger. A lot of these hearings were shifted to courts in Delhi. There is no security issue here at all. Mr. Thackeray believes in what he says and believes in what he's done. Then what's the problem in facing the court?
Somji, see, it is the process of court and we are following all the legal measures. It is not that a case is, if a summons is issued, it is necessary to remain present. Once charge is framed, charge is framed against us, then during the hearing he will be there.
Mr. Menon, 88 cases have been slapped against Raj Thackeray, most of them for spewing hate. He spent a total of 2 days in jail. Is there merit in the argument being mentioned there by Mr. Chaubey that there is a process he doesn't necessarily need to come and appear in court? Mr. Memon?
No, see, issuance of non-bailable would only be a manifestation of anguish on the part of the court, either on account of the gravity of accusation or on account of failing to turn up to respond to the process of law. I am not very sure, this gentleman may probably tell us, that whether the summons was earlier served upon him and yet he did not turn up. That is why the non-bailable warrant has been. This is a factual position. But I am talking about the procedure generally. If a person is accused of some offence, the court ordinarily issues a milder process. That is, calling him by virtue of issuance of a summons, so that the gentleman, the accused person, comes before the court and then faces whatever the case is. But once the court has issued the gravest of the process, namely a non-bailable warrant, then it becomes difficult for the accused, because he has to appear and get the non-bailable warrant cancelled or execute some kind of a surety that he would not disrespect the call of the court,
Right.
and shall be available as and when
So,
necessary.
in your opinion,
and Raj
he's-
would
he's
certainly
evading going-
one second.
Right.
Raj would certainly get full opportunity to defend himself, and he can even ask for quashing if there is no substance to the allegation against him.
So
There's no
you believe that
difficulty
he
on
should have been in court today?
Yeah, he should go, or otherwise he'll at least send his lawyer. His lawyer could have made an application that for certain genuine reason he is not personally present. The court would have probably granted him exemption also. Let us not make an issue out of it.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.